Hello everyone, this is Swarali and today I want to share something very powerful and try to learn something from it because it's very serious topic that just in the world belongs to those that who doesn't quit. In every generation, every city, every success story, every field, everyone just be the one who doesn't quit because this one line can just rewrite your entire destiny. Because it is very important to not to quit because everyone starts here. From here everyone starts, but just few continue and fewer finish because most of the people is having the problem. They are means they are starting everything, they are starting whatever, but they are not continuing it, they are not finishing the point, they are just almost they are reaching it, but still they are just one step away, they are quitting there. And that's the reason why most of the people are not able to finish their tasks or studies or anything else. That's why they are quitting everything everywhere. Whenever they are starting, they are completing it, almost they are reaching there, but still just one step away or 10 steps away they are quitting there because most of the people is starting but there are few continuing. So don't do that one because just think that whenever life just tests you, everyone is having test in their life, everyone every day you are giving test because the life is totally, it is seeing you, your ability, your consistency powers. And that's why whenever you are just having that much pressure on you, so it's your test also, it's your life test. Because just think that diamonds are created under pressure. So if you are having pressure on yourself about many things, you are handling, you are juggling between many things, but still you have to tackle that situation, you have to overcome that situation, but don't quit there because you will regret then if you quit here. Because in your future you don't want to, because regret will stay with you lifetime, but pain will just stay with you for months, for days, for weeks, but regret will stay forever, lifetime it will be with you. So you will regret then, I could have done this or I should have continued. So you will regret this. So that's why instead of regretting, you have not to quit, because quitting is an emotional just decision. Because most of the people are continuing but they are quitting because they are tired or they don't want to do, or they are not having and enjoy to do it because they are having lots of pressure on it, on themselves, and they have to handle both the situations simultaneously. So they are quitting because they are tired, but definitely they don't know this, that in their life in future definitely they will regret, and they will have lots of regret that I could have continued there. Because you have to continue, don't just regret, don't quit there, because world is always remembering the the person who is not quitting. Because just think of many leaders or many people, many entrepreneurs, they are also having many situation, many pains in their life, but they are not just quitting there because they don't want regret in their life, they don't want regret, they are just absorbing pain, but they are not have, they don't want regret in their life. So that's why they are continuing their process, they are in the race, but they are not quitting there. And that's why you remember those people, that's why those people are the most famous, are the most successful, because they are not quitting, they are just absorbing the pain, they are handling everything, every situation, but they are not quitting. So don't quit there because result takes time, nothing will happen in a day, in a year. You are in the race, you are continuing something, you are doing something, but instead you are means you are not getting the result, that's why you are quitting there. But just think of that, if you quit, if there's a scale between 1 to 10, so if you have reached 9, so you don't know that how much it will take, how long it will take, but just think that if you quit there, then your treasure might be just one step away, just one step away. So you are quitting there, and your whole, you whatever you have done the hard work to just take from 1 to 9, it needs lot of hard work and you have done that one. But if you are just quitting for just one step for just one step, for just one day, for just 1 month, if you are quitting, your treasure is there, but you are quitting here just one step away. So what's the reason that you're doing so much hard work, you have done it, but still your hard work is not giving you the fruit, it's not fruitful, so you're quitting there. So don't do that one, because whatever, if you want to start, then start it, but continue it, have the consistency in the process. Otherwise don't start, because if you are now you are doing, so you are wasting your whole energy. Instead of that, save your energy for anything else, but don't just be in the race and just one step away you are quitting there, so your whole energy is, it's ruined, it's useless. So don't do that one, because just one more try you need, because in there's the power in one more try. Because whenever you are in the race, if you feels like to quit, just think that one more thing, one more try I have to do. So it might be like your treasure is there just for one more try, so just think of that one. Don't think about it, because pain and versus regret, it is like the pain is for with you just for some days. You are having pain, but okay, it the pain will be like, it would be a very horrendously pain, it is much pain you are having, but still the regret, if you are having the regret for a lifetime, then do you want it for lifetime, or just do you want to struggle yourself, you have to juggle with your whole work for some days only? You, everyone will choose for just some days, no one will choose lifetime pain, lifetime regret. So instead of that pain, you should choose regret. You should choose regret, because it's important, because winners think differently. They are not thinking like, I am now quitting because I am tired now, I don't want to do it, because they are finding the why between it. Why am I quitting? They are just finding these things in that, and they are just continuing the process. Instead of that, if they are feeling like that, but still they are controlling their emotions, and they are finding their way, they are just getting to their targets. So you should do that one, because quitters, it's easy to quit, everyone is quitting in this world, but the to continue the process, it's very hard to continue the process. So that's why just continue, just tell to the world, just believe in yourself, and your success will shock the world. So you want that, don't you want that the success will just make the noise to the world? Everyone wants this. So that's why for that you have to struggle between something, you have to absorb that pain, but just don't regret in your life. So instead of regretting, you should choose pain. Definitely choose the pain, because it's important. Because for regret, you will regret lifetime, but firstly choose pain for some days, because the world is just remembering those people who are continuing. Because there are many quitters, but no one knows them, no one just are aware of them, who are they, or everyone is quitting. It's very simple to just say that everyone is quitting, but those who are continuing, the world is remembering them, not the ones who are quitting. So if you are quitting, just remember that, just have this decision in your mind, just make the decision stronger of your quitting journey. Because whenever you are continuing a journey, if you are reach the top, but just you have to, it might be just one step away, so for that purpose you don't have to quit there, because the world is remembering those people who are continuing, not those who are quitting. So that's why if you want to be remembered for the lifetime, so that's why you should not quit there. Don't quit there, because your future self will thank you. Because if you do this, then your future self will thank, because your future self is seeing everything, it knows everything. So if you now just choose to continue, then definitely you will thank to yourself in the future that I am proud of myself. You will see, you will say this, that I'm proud of myself, I did this, I continued in the process, I didn't quit. You will proud of yourself, you will become definitely, if you don't quit there. Because you are stronger than what you think, you are stronger than what you think. Just a simple decision, it's the difference is only about the decision, that what you are making. You should make the perfect decision, the stronger decision, then you have to continue, because the world is remembering only those people who are continuing. So be the one who continues, be the one who rises again, be the one who fights back, and be the one who chooses strength over fear. Because the person who refuses to quit is the person who wins. So Be the one who doesn't quit.